getting home before it's dark. Comfy shoes and candy bars, playing tunes on my guitar. Swimsuit, summer dress, playing on the beach the best. Skim milk, white bread, done my homework weeks ahead. Skipping stones and best friend bracelets, lemonade, I like to make it. Rope recycling, mountain biking, let's go hiking. Make sure your shoes are tied. Everything is outside.